Imagine standing on a planet where it rains diamonds, or flying through winds so strong they'd blow away an entire city on Earth. Did you know there's a planet with a storm that's been raging nonstop for over 350 years? And what if I told you Earth might not always have 24-hour days? Space is full of jaw-dropping wonders, and the planets in our solar system are more than just distant orbs. We're talking about wild, unbelievable places that challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. Stay tuned, because this is going to be one cosmic ride you won't forget. Our solar system is like a neighborhood filled with 10 fascinating planets, each one unique and full of surprises. From Mercury, the smallest and fastest, to Neptune, the windiest and most mysterious. These planets aren't just floating rocks, they're worlds with their own incredible stories. Today we'll uncover the craziest, most unbelievable facts about them. Why does Venus feel like a giant oven? How did Uranus end up spinning on its side? And what's going on with Pluto and its 5 moons? If you love learning about space, or even if you just want to hear some cool facts to impress your friends, you're in the right place. Grab a seat, sit back, and let's explore the wonders of our solar system together. Number 1, Mercury, the smallest and fastest planet. Let's start with Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. Did you know it's also the fastest? It zooms around the sun in just 88 Earth days. But here's the crazy part. It doesn't have an atmosphere, so during the day, temperatures can reach 430 deg, 800 deg, and at night, they drop to 180 degree, 290 degree. Imagine freezing and burning on the same planet. Number 2, Venus, the hottest planet. Next up is Venus, the second planet from the sun. You might think Mercury is hotter because it's closer, but no. Venus wins the title of hottest planet with temperatures of 470 900 degrees. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it a giant pressure cooker. Scientists even call it Earth's evil twin because it's similar in size but completely unlivable. Number 3, Earth, the only blue planet. Of course, we can't forget Earth. It's the only planet we know of with liquid water on its surface. And that's what makes life possible here. Over 70% of Earth's surface is covered in water, giving it the nickname Blue Planet. But here's a fun fact. Earth's rotation is slowing down. Millions of years ago, a day was just 22 hours long. Number 4, Mars, the red planet. Let's take a trip to Mars. It's known as the red planet because of the iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. Mars also has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Scientists are even studying Mars to see if it could support life in the future. Would you want to live there? Number 5, Jupiter, the giant of the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet, and it's absolutely massive. It's so big that more than 1/300 Earths could fit inside it. But the coolest thing about Jupiter is its great red spot. It's a storm that's been raging for over 350 years. That's older than most modern nations. Number 6, Saturn, the ring king. Now, let's talk about Saturn and its beautiful rings. Did you know those rings are mostly made of ice and rock? Some pieces are as tiny as dust, while others are as big as houses. Saturn might be the 6th planet from the sun, but it's definitely number 1 when it comes to stunning looks. Number 7, Uranus, the planet on its side. Uranus is one of the weirdest planets. It rotates on its side with a tilt of 98 degrees. Scientists think it was hit by a massive object long ago, which knocked it over. And here's another strange fact. Uranus is one of the coldest planets, with temperatures as low as 224 degrees, 371 degrees. It's like a frozen wonderland. Number 8, Neptune, the windy planet. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun, and it's also the windiest. Winds on Neptune can reach speeds of 200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. Imagine being caught in a storm there. Neptune's bright blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere, making it look like a jewel in space. Number 9, Pluto, the dwarf planet with big surprises. Pluto might not be a full planet anymore, but it's still fascinating. It has 5 moons, and one of them, Charon, is so big that Pluto and Charon orbit each other like a double planet. Plus, scientists think it might have a hidden ocean beneath its icy surface. Pluto is proof that size doesn't matter when it comes to being cool. Number 10. Bonus fun fact, raining diamonds. Here's a bonus fact. Scientists believe it rains diamonds on Uranus and Neptune. The extreme pressure inside these planets turns carbon into diamonds, which fall like raindrops. Talk about a shiny surprise. Wow, the universe is so amazing, isn't it? Which of these facts surprised you the most? Was it the crazy diamond rain on Neptune and Uranus? Or maybe Jupiter's storm that's been raging for centuries? If you could visit just one planet, which one would you pick? Would it be the icy rings of Saturn, the red deserts of Mars, or maybe Earth's evil twin Venus? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if scientists could find a way to make another planet livable, would you pack your bags and leave Earth? Share your answers below. I'm so curious to know what you all think. Our solar system is such a fascinating place. From the smallest planet, Mercury, to the farthest planet, Neptune. Every world has something incredible to teach us. These planets may seem far away, but they remind us of how small we are in this vast universe. Learning about space helps us understand not just the planets, but also our own planet, Earth.